Hilton shares falling more than 4% today on the back of its quarterly report that missed Wall Street expectations. However, the hotel company did say it saw bookings improve in March and April as people are starting to feel more confident about traveling again. Joining us now for a closing bell exclusive interview is Chris Nassetta, Hilton Worldwide CEO. Good to see you, Chris. Thanks for joining us.
Good to see you, Sarah. How are you doing?
Okay, I thought the headline from your call was that you saw you're seeing record travel leisure bookings this summer. Can you give us a little more color?
We are. I think if you think of the first quarter, it was sort of a tale of two cities. January and February were still quite challenging, but in March we really did hit a point of inflection and things started to improve materially. That's continued into April. We're early in May, but we see that trend continuing. On the call today, I was pretty optimistic. I'd say very optimistic in the sense that this is as good as I've felt since the pandemic started in terms of where we are and what I see in forward-looking trends and bookings in the business. It's at the moment, as you heard a lot about, being led by leisure. In fact, this summer, we think leisure will be over the record leisure numbers that we experienced in 2019, pre-pandemic. And business travel, while it's lagging, is coming back. It's probably about half the levels that we saw, at the prior peak. And group and events are lagging that, but they're coming back. And what we see is as offices and businesses are starting to reopen offices, and expectation of in the fall kids going back to school, people start to travel for business again, and they start to congregate in meetings. In fact, if you look at markets, even in the U.S. and certainly China, that's further along in recovery, where they're further along, we already see business travel back to effectively 75% volume levels that we saw in 19. So, it's been a long year. I guess a little over a year for sure for all of us in this industry. But I'm pretty much of the mind that we're on a very firm road to recovery, and that the second quarter will be, far better than the first. And the second half of the year is going to be a step change in performance. And so, our company at Hilton, we're incredible. Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
No, I'm sorry to cut you off. I just wanted to touch on the business point that you made, because it's optimistic. And it's interesting to hear that you're at 75% back in China, because there are questions about whether that ever fully comes back, right? Because companies have had to operate now for so long without business travel, without even being in the office.
Yeah.
So those costs for them are big. They might not have to bring it all back, right? Have you adjusted your strategy to factor that in?
I don't think that's the case. Here's the thing. Most businesses, not all businesses have done well in the pandemic. Most have done, been challenged in the pandemic. And as a result, they've cut costs, including some of their travel costs. And it will take, some time to sort of work through that. But, the anecdotal evidence as I talk to our big customers and I talk to friends who run businesses and the like is that there is a huge amount of pent-up demand to get out and travel for business and to get out for group meetings and events, just because it's been so long since they've done it. And they can't accomplish their objectives from a culture, innovation, collaboration point of view, doing it virtually forever. And they're really straining under this environment if you talk to people. And so it will take time. It will take time because, economically, most businesses have been damaged and they're going to have to build back their travel budgets. The evidence of that, that I talked about on the call today, that's anecdotal, and I think it's, a lot of it, anecdotal information supporting it. But the evidence, like what we see in China, if you take the markets in the U.S. that are a quarter and a half ahead in recovery and opening up, and you look at where business travel is, again, broadly, we're at 50%, and those markets were already at 75% in terms of room night volume. So I think, listen, time will tell. There's clearly some types of business travel that aren't going to occur, but history, if you go way back over time and look at all of the technology revolution that's been going on, every time it has connected the world more, it has sped the world up. And while certain trip occasions are replaced, others come in that are higher value trip occasions for business travel. And so, hey, time will tell. We think the evidence is there. We think, both over a long span of time, and the evidence is there in the early days of what we're seeing in recovery.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.